Introducing the WaveGen Power Supply Series by ThermoWave Technologies. This short video is designed to give an overview of the WaveGen series. Further details can be found in the WaveGen brochure or by contacting ThermoWave. The photos in this video are of ThermoWave's in-house test system. The WaveGen features proven and reliable systems and has been designed with increased performance, enhanced safety and improved maintenance in mind. As much as practical, off-the-shelf components have been used. To facilitate easier removal of larger components, the enclosure is 6 inches wider than previous models and includes a large single-piece removable door which is sealed IP65 rating, equivalent to NEMA 4 for weatherproofing. Dual door interlocks are standard. Also standard is the high voltage lockout disconnect. The WaveGen features a fully EMI sealed magnetron enclosure to enclose any EMI radiation. The enclosure is interlocked and must be installed for operation. The enclosure is designed with the ability to gain full access to the magnetron tube and filament transformer by simply removing the cover. The circulator is mounted on plastic pads on an internal frame which allows the circulator to slide out for easy replacement. A unique feature of the WaveGen is that the high voltage transformer and rectifier assembly are fully enclosed in a polycarbonate enclosure, minimizing high voltage leads from the high voltage transformer to the diode board and the diode board to the filament transformer and magnetron tube. This enclosure guards the high voltage transformer and rectifier assembly and is an important safety feature as it isolates the high voltage transformer from inadvertent contact. It also prevents items from being dropped into the high voltage transformer and possibly causing irreversible damage. Any water leaks will be shed via the angled top away from high voltage components. The polycarbonate enclosure has a removable cover enabling access to the rectifier assembly. The high voltage diode board is mounted on slides to facilitate diode troubleshooting and maintenance. High voltage diodes can be tested and or replaced and the diode board simply slid back into place for protection. An additional safety feature is the high voltage line is enclosed in a conduit carrying high voltage from the high voltage transformer enclosure to the magnetron enclosure. High voltage components are fully isolated even with the door open. The control box is mounted internally and has a hinged door that pulls down for access to the control components. The control system utilizes an Allen Bradley Micro 850 PLC. Also enclosed in this box are the driver cards for the filament and electromagnet. Mounted on an external panel for easy access are the switchgear components. Provisions for secondary contactors as backup contactors for safety has also been made. The WaveGen water system has a new high pressure water pump for improved water circulation and flow and quick connects for ease of maintenance. The magnetron tube is mounted with check valves on the hoses so that the water lines won't need to be crimped during maintenance. These valves will automatically shut off when you disconnect the magnetron tube and reconnect when the new tube is installed. Thermo sensors are strategically located to monitor the system's efficiency and reflected power throughout the power supply to provide a high level of system performance. In conclusion, the WaveGen is a state-of-the-art power supply that is unsurpassed for safety features, maintenance features, and technological advances that will provide end users the quality and the reliability in a power supply that they demand.